Hey there, pet lovers! Have you ever wondered how your dog would react to some hilarious cat sounds? Well, today's video is all about that. We're going to play some perfect cat sounds that your dog will absolutely love. And their reactions? Well, let's just say, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned to see the funniest and cutest dog responses. You won't want to miss this. Best friend, feline friends can totally catch them off guard. Whether it's a some pretty funny reactions from our furry pets. Wait, is that a cat? Every dog reacts differently. Some bark, some tilt their heads in confusion, and some... All right, let's start with irresistible cat sounds. Dog ready? Lots of various cat sounds. Meowing, purring, hissing, and chirping. Interspersed with reacting to the using submitted clips or stock footage. Dog barking yet? Or maybe they're wagging their tail in excitement. Don't forget to now, well, dogs have incredible hearing, and they can pick up on the high-pitched tones of a cat's meow, which can either make them confused or even a little excited. Up to 65,000, while cats typically meow between 48 hertz. That's why dogs are so quick to notice those kitty sounds. Now let's take a look at some more pawsome dog reactions to cat sounds. These clips were sent in by viewers, and they are absolutely adorable. Show a montage of dogs reacting to the cat sounds, highlighting the expressions, head tilts, and playful sounds. Make sure to grab your camera and send us the clip. We'd love to feature it in our next video. And hey, let's subscribe while you're at it. We've got tons more fun content like this coming your way. From animal sounds to pet hacks and hilarious moments. Show on-screen text. Subscribe for more fun content. Before we wrap up, here's one last round of cat sounds to test your dog's reaction one more time. Are they ready? Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to pets, it's all about the fun. See you next time, pet lovers.